Welcome to Health Beam, where science meets wellness in every sip. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of nutritional science to bring you two groundbreaking smoothie recipes, each meticulously designed to target a common yet often overlooked health issue, an enlarged prostate. With an emphasis on blending taste with therapeutic benefits, these recipes are not just about nourishing your body, they're about empowering you with the knowledge and nutrients to support prostate health proactively. Join us as we explore the potent combination of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and essential nutrients in our tomato-based prostate health smoothie and the Berry Power Prostate Health Smoothie. Each ingredient is chosen for its scientific evidence in promoting prostate wellness, aiming to not only delight your taste buds but also contribute to shrinking an enlarged prostate. Stay tuned as HealthBeam guides you through these delicious solutions, making every ingredient count towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, the information provided is for educational purposes only and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. Creating a smoothie designed to target health issues, such as an enlarged prostate, requires a careful selection of ingredients that are not only beneficial for prostate health, but also complement each other in taste. Here's the first recipe for a tomato-based prostate health smoothie that combines taste with potential health benefits. Ingredients we need. Tomatoes, 2 large and ripe tomatoes. You see, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to improved prostate health. Lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked, but raw tomatoes still offer health benefits. Watermelon, 1 cup. This is another excellent source of lycopene, adding sweetness and hydration to your smoothie. Carrots, 1 large or 2 medium. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and other antioxidants, supporting overall health and potentially benefiting the prostate. Pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup. Pomegranate juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and high antioxidant content, which may help in reducing prostate enlargement symptoms. Flax seeds, 2 tablespoons. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, both of which have been shown to have a positive effect on prostate health. Pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, an essential mineral for prostate health. Green tea cooled, 1/2 cup. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric, especially when paired with black pepper, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper, a pinch, enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Basil leaves, a handful adds freshness and has anti-inflammatory properties. Ice cubes, a few, which is optional for a chilled smoothie. How to prepare it. Prepare the ingredients, wash the tomatoes, watermelon, and carrots thoroughly. Peel the carrots and roughly chop them along with the tomatoes and watermelon. Blend the base, add the chopped tomatoes, watermelon, and carrots to the blender. Blend until smooth. Add the nutrients, incorporate the pomegranate juice, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, cooled green tea, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Blend again until all the ingredients are well combined. Final touches. Add the basil leaves, keeping some for garnish, and ice cubes if desired. Blend until the smoothie reaches your preferred consistency. Serve. Pour the smoothie into a large glass, garnish with a basil leaf and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, and enjoy immediately. Okay, now coming to another smoothie which we find it to be even more effective. We call this the berry shrinker. This recipe combines blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, each a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, with other ingredients known for their health benefits, particularly in relation to prostate wellness. Berry Power Prostate Health Smoothie. Scientific rationale for ingredients. Mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, 1 cup each. These berries are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids, including quercetin and anthocyanins. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various health issues, including prostate problems. Berries also have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help in reducing the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons. Rich in zinc, a mineral essential for prostate health. Zinc plays a crucial role in modulating testosterone levels and may help in reducing prostate enlargement. Brazil nuts, 2 to 3 nuts. Selenium found in Brazil nuts is vital for prostate health, as it helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Selenium's protective effects against prostate cancer have been highlighted in scientific studies. Ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons. Contains lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce the growth of prostate cancer cells. Flax seeds can help in balancing hormone levels, potentially impacting prostate size positively. Soy milk, 1 cup. Isoflavones in soy milk are phytoestrogens that may play a role in lowering the risk of prostate cancer. They may also help in managing hormone levels, contributing to prostate health. Green tea, 1/2 cup, cooled. Polyphenols in green tea, especially EGCG, have been researched for their potential to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells and reduce inflammation. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Contains curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation associated with an enlarged prostate. Black pepper, a pinch, enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, ensuring the body absorbs and utilizes it effectively. Spinach, 1 handful. Rich in vitamins and minerals, spinach contains phytochemicals and antioxidants, supporting overall health and potentially benefiting the prostate. Omega-3 supplement, algae-based for plant-based option, 1 teaspoon. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation, which is beneficial for prostate health. Preparation method. Blend the berries. Combine the blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries in a blender. These berries provide a rich base of antioxidants and phytochemicals essential for combating oxidative stress and inflammation. Add nuts and seeds. Incorporate the pumpkin seeds and Brazil nuts for their zinc and selenium content, alongside ground flaxseed for its beneficial lignans and omega-3 fatty acids. Include liquids. Pour in the soy milk and cooled green tea. Soy milk adds isoflavones, while green tea contributes powerful polyphenols, both supporting prostate health through various pathways. Spice it up, add turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, maximizing its anti-inflammatory benefits. Greens for wellness. Add a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost, ensuring a wide range of vitamins and minerals are present in your smoothie. Enhance with omega-3. Drizzle in the omega-3 supplement, opting for an algae-based source if preferred, to ensure a potent anti-inflammatory effect. Blend to perfection. Process until smooth, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined into a homogeneous mixture. Serve immediately. Pour into a glass. Garnish if desired with a few whole berries or a sprinkle of ground flaxseed, and enjoy promptly for maximum nutrient intake.